Hello and welcome to the first video of this channel where I will be briefly explaining how to do a simple n-body simulation using C++ and SFML. I hope you enjoy. I will start by making a function that returns the distance between two bodies. In order to avoid calculating really small distances, there will be a minimum value of 20 pixels. Once the distance function is made, the gravity function will then use this distance value to calculate the acceleration exerted on one of the two bodies. To try and check if everything was okay, I made two bodies and ran the first simulation to check if gravity was working correctly. The first simulation wasn't something to be really proud of, as particles lagged a lot and it wasn't visually exciting, so I decided to make some improvements to the code. I also made some changes in the body's formation, creating a vector of bodies just to handle better more objects on the screen. I thought it would be a pretty cool idea to make a grid out of two for loops and small squares, which would be called cells, and then let particles move through those cells. Perhaps I should also be able to get rid of the grid whenever I want, and also to stop the time. Also, it would be pretty nice if we could see the frame rate as the simulation runs. Last but not least, I decided to add some pretty fine particles that I can easily create with my mouse and the arrow keys. If I wanted to make a particle that remains at rest, I would only need to click on the left click on the mouse. This is the final result. If you like this video, consider subscribing to stay tuned for future releases. See you soon.